we would like to introduce to you the newly released Orion 7000. Let's look at it.
Like obviously the design, we made a departure from the previous ones. We've gone with a more minimalistic approach, sort of darkened glass, plastic, metal, and mesh.
Look really nice.
Oh yeah, it looks really sharp. It looks like a perfect machine that like fits in any environment. And not only that, we've kept some crossovers from the previous Orions as well, largely in the form of the EMI certified side panel. There's plenty of power in the Orion 7000. We've got up to 64 gigabytes of DDR5 at 4,000 megahertz, including very fast storage. As more and more fast generations come out there, you need that. It's got up to 2 terabytes at M.2 NVMe PCIe Gen 4 with the option to upgrade to Gen 5 when those drives are available. Now, in addition to that, for graphics, you have to go top of the line so that you can play AAA games on day one. Inside, we have a GeForce RTX 3090, and as for processors, you have to go with the best of the best. We've gone with the 12th generation Intel Core processor. Obviously, we have to cool that CPU as well, which is why we've gone with an all-in-one liquid cooler, top of the line.
Liquid cooling.
And it's got some noticeable features that are worth calling out. It has a microchannel cold plate with a V-shaped wave-thin design. It also has a ceramic axis, and it has reinforced sleeving on the tubing as well. In addition to 12, you can see even there, 12 ARGB LEDs for extra style points. If you need a new PC, if you're looking for an obvious upgrade or something to put at home, the Orion 7000 is the perfect choice for that. And it should be available soon, so keep your holiday shopping list open and check with your local Acer representative. We're introducing today the Predator GD711 gaming projector. Why projectors? Why Predator? Why now? And the honest answer is that they've finally reached an affordable price point, and the features are competing with a lot of the gaming monitors that are out there in the market as well.
And also, it's for the whole room, not just for one desk.
Exactly, and like this thing can project up to 300 inches if you have the space, but that's a bit unrealistic. A more reasonable space would be 74 inches at around 2 meters, which will fit most living rooms. Now, as for the gaming features themselves, it is extremely fast. You can go up to 240 hertz refresh on PC and 120 hertz on the latest gen consoles, and that's with variable refresh rate enabled.
Wow, that's almost like as good as, sometimes better than a monitor or TV.
Yeah, and the chances are those monitors or the TVs, you're definitely not going to be hitting 74 inches a screen on that. In terms of color, this is top of the line. It is a 4K projector that can project up to 4,000 LED lumens. In addition to that, it has a 2 million to 1 contrast ratio. That's the same level that a lot of OLED TVs out there claim as well.
Today, we're announcing the Concept D7 Spatial Labs Edition. The Concept D7 Spatial Labs Edition is equipped with the latest 11th Gen Intel Core i7 processor to ensure that your creativity is untamed, making sure that your creation renders in the fastest speed and with the highest quality. The laptop is going with up to a NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 graphics to keep the device cool and workflow smooth, even under heavy workloads. The patented AeroBlade 3D fans with vortex flow design ensure sufficient cooling while keeping noise levels low. Looking at its display, the Concept D7 Spatial Labs Edition features a gorgeous and extremely color-accurate 15.6-inch Pantone-validated 4K display to offer the most precise representation of colors. The display replicates 100% of the Adobe RGB color space and is tuned to achieve a delta E less than 2. In addition to being super color accurate, the display of Concept D7 Spatial Labs Edition has another trick up its sleeve to visualize your creations in stereoscopic 3D. The lenticular display is able to switch between 2D and stereoscopic 3D modes in an instant. Paired with the 2 additional eye tracking sensors above the display, it enables a precise and wide viewing stage for 3D content with Spatial Labs. If you're using Maya and Blender, you're able to add it on an external 2D screen and review the changes on the Concept D7 Spatial Labs Edition in real time through the middleware Pi stage, as well as our proprietary solution, Spatial Labs Go. Spatial Labs Go can now also take your 2D content and generate vivid stereoscopic 3D image through AI. You're able to take photos and videos with your phones or cameras, then see the object in those popping out of the screen. This empowers you to see things in a new perspective and get different inspirations. The technology can also be applied on games and video conferencing and messaging applications. When you make a video call with the customer, as long as the other end is using a Spatial Labs device, the customer will be able to see the product you're presenting floating in front of the screen. For a truly natural 3D interactive experience, developers are now able to use UltraLeap's hand tracking solution. This enables you to interact with the virtual objects without the need for a mouse or handheld controller. Developers can create projects using intuitive hand gestures, such as pinching, grabbing, and more. In the education sector, we're strategically partnering with Z-Space, a leading company providing innovative, hands-on, experiential AR/VR learning platforms. Combining the Spatial Lab device and Z-Space's hardware and software solutions, we're creating a more immersive and interactive learning experience for K-12, higher, and career and technical education institutes.
Aspire Vero is an eco-friendly laptop, so it needs to be considered from a broader scope. Not just the product itself, but also everything related to it. Let's start from its award-winning packaging. Packaging is meant to protect. For Vero, it not only means to protect the products, but also our environment. The majority of the packaging is made from sustainable materials without compromising any of the box's protective qualities. It is also designed to be reusable. You can turn part of the box into a laptop stand for improving thermal airflow and making the laptop work more efficiently. Ergonomically, it also helps to create a better typing posture and viewing height. The packaging design has won the 2021 Red Dot Award. We've developed a software specifically for Vero called VeroSense, which acts as a control panel to help save energy and extend your battery life as well as the product life. With all that said, we are excited that Aspire Vero is now available worldwide from our channel partners. In addition to the Aspire Vero laptop, we also offer a green accessory line, including keyboards, mice, mousepads, and protective sleeves. All our Vero accessories are made with recycled materials and a matching design to satisfy your needs in a green and stylish way. Let me introduce TravelMat Vero, an eco-friendly business laptop. You'll get powerful processing, security, and manageability all in a single sustainable device. We know working environment can vary for business customers, so we created a series of Vero commercial products to fulfill different needs. The Veritone Vero Mini is an excellent choice for customers who need stationary PC solutions. Its small dimensions and low power consumption make Veritone Vero Mini extremely versatile. It can be placed vertically or horizontally to save your space. The Vero BR277, our 27-inch Full HD IPS monitor, is a great companion to fulfill those with hybrid working needs. Both Veritone Vero Mini and Vero BR277 are made with recycled materials and green packaging to reduce environmental impact. They can be recycled again in the future to help our customers stay in the eco-friendly loop and be part of a circular economy.
Acer has a full lineup of devices to help remote and hybrid use. And in addition to our work and hybrid use case environment, we are excited to show some of our updates and putting antimicrobial technology in our devices.
We extended our antimicrobial solution across multiple product categories. Let's take a look at how they work. The silver ion antimicrobial agent can be embedded in or applied onto the surface of the chassis, hinge, keyboard, fingerprint readers, and more. Basically, silver ions are highly reactive particles that can drastically reduce the growth rate of microbes.
You are very right. Silver ion is not a really new technology, but just new application to more devices.
Exactly, and that's why it's integrated into everyday items. Take the spatially treated glass on our panels, for example. The microbial reduction rate can be greater than 99.9%.
That sounds pretty good.
These devices, such as the latest TravelMate Spin P4, the brand new VE246Q monitor with Eco Display, and the Enduro Urban N3 and T3 with military-grade durability, all come with the Acer Antimicrobial 360 designed for extra peace of mind.
Thank you very much, Robin.